National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for the Santa Monica Mountains to the Hollywood Hills and Griffith Park, as well as the adjacent foothills and the cities of Malibu and Beverly Hills in Los Angeles County, the Santa Monica Mountains in southeastern Ventura County and southwestern California until 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Tuesday. At 8:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated light to moderate rain falling with embedded heavier showers across the warned area. Rainfall rates of up to 0.50 inches per hour are expected at times through the night. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are likely across the warned area. Flash flooding and mud and debris flows are likely to continue overnight. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. In addition, there will continue to be mudslides, rock slides, and debris flows. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Woodland Hills, Agoura Hills, Encino, Santa Monica, Van Nuys, Beverly Hills, North Hollywood, Universal City, Burbank, Griffith Park, Calabasas, Topanga State Park, Malibu Creek State Park, Pacific Palisades, Westlake Village, and Point Dume. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most